guys, welcome back to my channel, Miss Geminii Talks. Today we are taking the babies to the beach for the first time. Samora, are you excited? Are you excited to go to the beach? Excited to go to the beach. This is her first time. She has her little swimsuit on, you know, got the pants on top of it. And Shiloh, he got his little trunks on. I'm excited, guys. This is their first time going to the beach. And I'm excited also because I've been wanting to go to the beach this whole summer. So it's nice to get out the house, to enjoy hopefully the sun and some water, the nice breeze. Say hi to the vlog. Gotta brush her little slip back. Yes, Amora, you're my little mini-me. Look at my daughter. Y'all, I can't believe that they are both 1 year old now. When I tell you it feels like I was just pregnant and now they're a year. Look, she looks like a little baby toddler. OMG. It's crazy. Sorry, I'm looking at my iPad. This is my iPad right now, and I'm trying to look at the camera, but I keep looking at the screen. So don't mind me if my eyes is over here because I'm trying to look at the camera, but I just can't help but look at the screen. So I'm just trying to get used to this vlogging thing. But yeah, so I'm going to show you guys Shiloh, and then we just going to enjoy the day together. Stay tuned. What you were saying, Samora? What you were saying, Laura? What's wrong? No? Nothing to say? No? You don't want to show them your little cute? Okay, no? All right, guys, she said no. I tried. Hubby looks so handsome. Yeah, so we on our way to the beach, guys. Samora's a little cranky right now. Samora.
She gets it from her mama.
See, my baby always taking care of me. Look. I'm always keeping these things out. I don't know why, but I know. I gotta fix it. I'm going to show you guys when we get there and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. This family vlog. All right, guys. Stay tuned. I'll be back. All right, guys. So we're in the car. We're on our way to Seaside. We got the baby's toys and stuff in the back. Now, we're still deciding if we're going to go on the beach where the sand is, or are we just going to stay on the boardwalk, because the babies are still small and we didn't want to put them around in the sand and then they get sand in their mouth and it'd be dangerous. So we're going to figure it out and see how we feel when we get there, because I do want them to play in the sand, but I do know they're still young, so we will see. But we're on our way and it's a beautiful day so far. And yeah, so stay tuned, guys. I will keep you posted when we get there. Ooh, this is fast, babe. I feel like we're on a ride. I love it. Look at the water, y'all. I just love a nice view. That's all I love, honestly. It's a beautiful view. Let's see. Sunny right now.
Yeah,
lobster.
You could almost say it's very overcast today.
Yeah. Here it goes. Y'all, I am not good with vlogging, so bear with me. I'm trying to get it. Shiloh's up.
What's up, dude?
Shiloh, say hi, Stink. Yay, say hi. We on our way to Seaside.
He clapping his hands.
Yeah.
You clapping it up, bro?
He's looking at the camera. He's saying, hey, people.
Hey, bud.
Oh, my little munchkin.
Clap it on up, pal.
Yay, Stinker. Yay, your first day at the beach. Are you excited, Papa? Yay. Good job, my Stinker. He just woke up. Oh, my God. I'm so mad that we were not here when Jersey Shore was filming. I love the Jersey Shore. Ooh, Oh, can we go back to their house, babe?
Go by if you want.
These little houses over here. And people only stay here during the summertime, right?
I mean, there's people who stay here all year long, but it's definitely a lot more popular in the summertime.
Oh, okay. Like people like to rent it out. They house like rent out.
Yes, people rent out houses and stuff.
Right. When I used to work at Hooters, all the girls would be like, "Yeah, we getting a beach house for the whole summer," and I used to be like, "Damn, I want to go," but then I'm like, "Nah, I don't." You know, that's when I was young and dumb. So now.
Yeah, now you're just dumb.
Shut up. And a mom, you know, and married. So we're gonna get our own little family beach house one day. Oh, they got golf here?
Yeah, mini golf. They got a great mini golf course.
Is this Jumbo's? That's where they used to go to, Jumbo's, I think.
Did they go there? I don't know.
I think during the daytime they
The
used
place
to go
we were talking about going before
Not wig, it's like horrible.
in Point Pleasant is Jenkinson's.
Oh.
Oh, is that something?
Alright guys. Well, stay tuned. I'll be back. Hey buddy. Hi Stinker. Hi Samora. You just waking up, cutie pie? Samora was slumped. Look at her. Hi Stinkers. Papa, you ready to enjoy the day at the beach? Look at my big boy. Hey Mora. Hi Mama. Samora, she is so tired. Yeah.
Hey, Papa.
Hey.
What's up, bud? How you doing? Look at that big smile.
He's so happy.
Hey, pal.
Oh, you so happy, buddy.
Hi.
First time at the beach. Look at him.
Yeah, little mama. Hey, bro.
I would not get on that big ass ride. No, tall ass ride. Okay, so we got our food. Dave got him a Philly chicken sandwich, and I just got me a cheeseburger for now. I'm about to get the baby's food, and we all about to just enjoy.
Hey, guys. Hey.
He's so handsome. Yo, today is a beautiful day. The breeze on the boardwalk feels amazing. And I tell you, it feels so good. We're just enjoying the weather. We're walking around the boardwalk. We're gonna look at a few things, maybe play some games. We just ate. And yeah, we're just enjoying this beautiful day. So I hope you guys can enjoy it with us. Stay tuned. We'll be back.
Get back over here. Ugh. Hi, Mama. Hey, Stinky. Hey, pumpkin pie.
So relaxing. So relaxing. Hey, buddy. You about to get out?
Hey, Papa. Come here, big boy.
We're just going to show you guys because you guys are so small.
See
we don't know
that?
if we want you guys to go seeing yet.
See that, pal?
Yay!
See that? See the water, buddy?
Look at the water.
See that?
Papa, look at that face. You tired.
You see the water, dude? See the water, dude? Yeah, see? Look at that.
Aw,
that,
this is
pal.
so beautiful.
Like that? Like that breeze? It feels nice, right? Cold air on your face.
Baby, Come here, look at the camera with that
Yeah,
real
Papa, you
quick.
see Mama?
Y'all look so cute.
See your mama? Oh, buddy.
My little family.
I don't want to scratch you with my glasses, pal.
Samora. Samora. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi, girl.
Man, I just have him sitting there.
That's fine. Hey, Mama. This is Mommy's little twin. Go. Mini me. Hey, hey, hey. Mini me. Hey, hey, hey. All right, let's go. So we at the arcade, and me and Bae is about to play this game. And I'm about to win. Hey, Papa. We're about to play and beat that bad. Yeah. He's like, he ready to play. Look. That was ready to play. You ready, Papa? Yeah, he's Team Mommy. Don't tell that though. Look how short I am, guys. And baby, I come behind me. Woo! That is funny.
Playing other games.
We in the short store. Can I find my name, you think? What you mean, heck no? See, I told you my name is Ghetto. If you can find it, I'll be really shocked. It's in category. It's in alphabetical.
Not really, kind of.
Yeah, maybe they don't have my name. He said something.
Hey, bud. We got Jackson.
I'm sure they have your name.
What's up, guys?
You have a common name. Oh,
Hey,
say hi.
Hey.
So nice.
Welcome back, babe.
Ooh. So we about to go take the babies by the water and put their little feet in the water. Right, Mora? Pop is the beach. Look at the birds. Look at all of the birds. Wow. So beautiful. I love the sound of the ocean. Like, that's the one thing about going to the beach. It's just so relaxing and peaceful, and the water, the sound of the ocean is like so beautiful. Like, I fall asleep to this sound on ASMR because it's like so relaxing.
I'm gonna walk into the water. You know what? Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it, bud. Yeah. Yeah. You ready? Yeah. Come on, pal. Woo! Yay! Is that pretty cool?
Now get the water.
Here,
It's
bud.
coming.
It's coming. He loves it.
He loves it. Papa.
Oh, he's walking the water.
Okay. Go, Papa.
Yeah, buddy. Come here. Yeah. Good job, dude. You did so
You want to do
good.
some more?
You don't have to. You don't have to.
Scared, Mommy.
You don't want to try it? You want to touch it?
Can you touch the water?
You want to touch it?
Okay, guys, so we're about to end the night, but it would not be a real seaside visit without going to the shore house, okay? So we about to look at it, because if y'all don't know, I used to love watching Jersey Shore. Still do. And we're at the house, okay? So we're about to look at the shore house. Jersey Shore. So cool. This is the house, y'all. This is the house. The Jersey Shore house, guys. I've been inside before. It's a lot smaller than it is on TV, but this is the shore house. So I had to come and see the house before we end our day. I hope that you guys make sure you subscribe to my channel. And also, I have a kid channel for my twins. Make sure you subscribe to them, to Shiloh and Samora's Playroom. If you have any children, nieces and nephews, little baby cousins that just want to watch other kids play toys, you guys can hang out with Shiloh and Samora in their playroom. Okay, guys? So that's going to be it for this vlog. If you like seeing vlogs from me, make sure that you comment down below. And yeah, stay tuned. You're going to be back with another video.